In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create images with Runway ML. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting to explore the world of AI-generated art, this guide will help you create stunning visuals with ease. Let's dive into the steps, ensuring you can navigate the platform effortlessly. First, you'll need to head over to the Runway AI platform. You'll want to begin by opening the dashboard. This is your hub for accessing all the creative tools that Runway has to offer. It's a well-organized and user-friendly interface that helps streamline your creative process. If you haven't already set up an account, you'll need to do so before proceeding, but for those who are already logged in, you're all set to move on to the next step. Once on the dashboard, you'll notice several options available. Direct your attention to the option that says Generate Image. Clicking here is your next move. This is where the magic begins, opening the door to a variety of customizable and creative opportunities. The Generate Image feature utilizes advanced AI to transform your ideas into visual art, offering endless possibilities, from abstract pieces to more realistic compositions. Now for the creative part. In the space provided, you'll need to type in a prompt. This prompt is essentially a description or set of instructions that guides the AI in generating your image. Be as concise or as detailed as you wish. The more information you provide, the more precise the AI's output will be. Think about the theme, colors, or specific elements you'd like to see in your image. This is a great opportunity to experiment and see what different prompts yield. Once you've finished typing your prompt, the next step is to click on Generate. At this point, Runway's AI starts processing your input to create the image. This process usually takes only a few moments, but the time can vary slightly depending on the complexity of your prompt. You'll see the AI working to bring your ideas to life, transforming text into a unique piece of art. After the image is generated, you can review it and decide whether it fits your vision. If you're not satisfied with the outcome, don't worry. There's plenty of room to edit your prompt and try again. The iterative process can be both exciting and educational, providing insight into how varying descriptions can influence the end result. And that's it. You've successfully created an image using Runway ML. This tool is incredibly powerful for generating AI-driven art, and with a little practice, you can unlock its full potential. So go ahead, experiment with different styles, and who knows what amazing art you'll create next. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or insights, feel free to share them in the comments below.